Is right now the best time to buy the Intuitive Machines stock? That is the question we're going to be answering in this video, and to answer this question we're going to be using this Fibonacci retracement tool. So looking at the price, we can see that from around these lows, price went up to this high before we started seeing this current retracement. So if we draw the tool from this low up to this high, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is, in the stock market, usually when prices start retracing, they tend to come down to this dark green area known as the golden zone, find some support around here and bounce back up. And investors using this tool like to buy at one of these Fibonacci levels, as there's a good chance price could find support and bounce back up. So what are some prices where you might want to consider entering in or potentially averaging down at? The first level is going to be around here. This is $14.11, and it's also around the current price. The level below this is going to be around here. This is $11.57. It's the bottom of the golden zone, and we can see that this level has acted as strong support in the past. So if the price comes back down to retest this level, there's a good chance that it could find some strong support here, making it an ideal level for entry. So that's the entry side of things. However, getting a good entry is only the first step. It's equally important to have an exit strategy in place. And we can get an exit strategy using this Fibonacci extension tool. But before we dive into that, you might be wondering whether I'm currently holding the Intuitive Machines stock or if I'm planning to invest in it. And the answer is the large majority of my portfolio is built around a strategy that tracks trades made by US politicians. This is because investing alongside key politicians is the most profitable strategy I've found in the stock market. Over the years, it has delivered returns that blow every other strategy completely out of the water. If you're curious about how I do it and how you can do it too, I've put together a free video explaining everything. The link to it is in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. So coming back to the Fibonacci extension tool, if we do something similar to before, going from this low, but this time if we go up to this high and pull the tool down to where this retracement ended, around here, we get something like this. And the way this works is these levels of the Fibonacci extension tool act as resistance for the price. And knowing this, investors using this tool like to lock in some profits at these levels, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. If you are wondering why we only went up to this level instead of coming all the way up here, the reason for that is because we don't know where this retracement is going to end. And for the extension tool to work, we need to know where the retracement ended so we can put it there. So that's the reason for using this movement. So what are some areas where you might want to consider taking some profits? The first level is going to be around here. This is $25.18. The level above this is going to be around here. This is $33.79. And the third level is going to be around here. This is $47.85. I will be making update videos as the price gets to these key levels. So if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you'd like to see the analysis of a specific stock, then feel free to leave those in the comment section below and I'll make a video around those. And if you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like on the video as that helps out the channel a lot. It's also worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you'd like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to the free video explaining everything is in the description below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.